My name is Darsan. I am renovating my house using glass warehouse. When I began renovating, I knew I wanted the house to feel open and connected to nature. Glass warehouse helped me realize this dream. The materials set the tone throughout the house: walnut floors, handmade Solaris tiles, stone countertops. Even the basins were carved from a single piece of travertine, so there's this sense of continuity. When I looked at introducing glass into the space, I was hoping to maintain that feeling of openness while creating distinct living zones. Throughout the house, there are organic, rounded edges, so curved glass was a natural fit. The radius fixed panel in the bathroom waterproofs the space without intruding. I was genuinely surprised by how straightforward the shower enclosure installation was. The fast fit hinges slid straight onto the glass with no dismantling required, and the fixed gaskets simplified everything further. The final result looks amazing and so professional. The shower door ties in beautifully with my new Ezri medicine cabinet. The rounded edges and the frameless design continue that sleek and natural feeling. Outside, the glass railing organizes the entertaining space while keeping things visually open. The Lonnie soft close gate hinges and low-key latch are exactly the kind of detail that makes such a difference. The installation process for the pool railing was a lot less complicated than I thought, and I couldn't be happier with the final result. Now the renovations are complete, and it's clear how significantly Glass Warehouse has transformed the space. I'm so proud of what I've achieved, and honestly, anyone could do it too.